Hey guys, Chris from Redesigned. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install our spoiler extension on our MK7 Golf R Wagon. Let's get into it. So this one is going to be quite an easy one. This is a stick-on solution, but the secret is here. So we've got nice commercial grade tape, primer and alcohol wipes. But the first step is to clean. I'm not talking about like give it an alcohol wipe and give it a sponge. These cars are getting quite old now. They're some of them are 10 years old. So what we're going to do is do a real deep clean. We're going to maybe do a quick clay bar, quick polish, and then we'll do the alcohol wipes in the next step. So let's do that first. Next step is to apply primer. Now primer is a secret. It enhances the bond between the surface of the car and the tape. So in here, there's a little glass tube, crack it, apply primer to the painted section of the car, everything that you would stick to, and also to the spoiler. So it says here, apply primer within this area. So apply them all here, including a little spacer, and then we can apply the tape to the car. So I'm ready to do primer. So before that, I'm just going to give the spoiler and the spoiler extension an extra clean with the alcohol wipe provided. Now it's time to apply the primer. So what you got to do, there's a little glass tube floating around in there. Just crack it. All right. You'll run out and apply it generously onto the spoiler and the spoiler extension. The kit comes with the double-sided tape. Now this is not any double-sided tape, it's commercial grade, it's very, very strong. There's two ways you can do it. You can cut it into strips and apply it to the car, which is quite easy to do, especially when you can see exactly where you're taping. I prefer to tape it to the spoiler. I'm just going to follow this spacer here and this black and white line, just follow it, tape it on, and then go stick it on the car. So now I've stuck the tape on with the primer and all. I just need to peel the tape back a little bit, just hang off the edge, and then we'll get it sticking on the car. All right, so I'm ready to stick on now. What I've done is I've peeled back the tape just a little bit, so those little fingers, I peeled that off, so I can pull that off later. So what I'm gonna do is find center. It fits really good, so you're not going to get it wrong. Just in, find the middle, and then push up, and then you're done. And then pull over the tape. Perfect, got everything on. Now all you gotta do is just push it down, just get the maximum contact from the tape to the car, and then leave it overnight for it to cure, and then be on your way. Now for the final touch. So all you gotta do is stick this on the spoiler. It's all optional, it comes in the box. So on this little brake light, this little circle, that's the middle. So I just put a bit of tape, I'll stick it on the side and peel up the front, and we're done. There you have it, spoiler extension fitted to the car. Now the only tip is take your time. Fitment's really good, so you can't really stuff it up. But if you do, we do give you a spare roll of tape, primer and alcohol wipes as well. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.